Tired of cleaning your oven? Want to eat healthier foods without paying the price for organic foods? Hi, I'm Chef Michael. Here with me today is my new titanium heat wave oven. It's amazing! With my new 21st century heat wave technology, you can cook foods faster and up to 50% less grease. That's for health, folks. You heard me. Oh, look at that. You see any grease in there? I don't see any grease in there. It's amazing. You can cook ham. Boom. Uh-oh. Sounds like my pot roast is ready. Let's see how it looks. Wow, it looks amazing. Let's take a taste. That's delicioso and amazing. Oh shoot, now my food's ready. What can I pick it up with? Well, order in the next 10 minutes and we'll throw in a free pair of oven mitts. Just place that receipt and handle it.